y'all, Tamika Jamison here, formerly Tamika Newhouse, and I want to share with y'all some book signing tips, especially for those newbies. Before I dive into those tips, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am Tamika Jamison. A lot of you may know me as Tamika Newhouse. I am a national best-selling author. I've written 17 novels, 5 nonfiction projects. I'm in the process of releasing my second documentary, as well as I'm a producer. I'm a visionary, I'm a creative, and I have been doing this full time since I was 23. All right, y'all, so let's dive on in. Now, if you are an independent writer, even if you're not an independent writer, you need to think about where the people are at. This is how I built my career. I have 17 novels, I have 5 nonfiction projects, 2 documentaries, and I have published nearly 400 titles. At one point, I had 30 writers under my independent publishing house. And I always use the process, where are the people? Especially if you're brand new and you're trying to build a fan base, people are not just about to be coming to you like that because, one, they don't know you. You haven't built your fan base. So you need to go to where the people is at. So the first place I would do is, boop, I will attack friends, family. Go to that first close circle first. Everybody that you know, everybody and their mama's mama, put your energy on that first. And I would honestly do that before the book even releases, because they trust you to give you like $20, $15 before the book actually comes out. So actually attack your friends and family first. That way, when the book is out, you ain't even gotta worry about them. Now it's on the people that don't know you. 2, you want to attack every local bookstore. Yes, that means Barnes & Nobles and all those big chains too, in your local city and surrounding cities. I would say at least 30 miles around the perimeter, wherever you live at. Go to all those bookstores, give them either a copy of your book or create a sell sheet of your book. Tell them about the genre, the synopsis, what it's about. They can clearly see the book cover. Giving them that, and then ask them to stock your book in their store, literally. If they are hesitant, ask to host a book signing. You'll bring the people there, or you'll attack their customers as they come in through the front door. So that's 2. Go to all the local bookstores that's in close proximity. You always want to dominate your area before you actually travel. Now 3, book clubs. Go to Facebook, go to Bookstagram, go to TikTok, find readers that are actively reading, and go to libraries, see what book clubs exist, and send them your book. Send them that sell sheet. Let them know this book is out there, that you want to do a meet and greet with them, that you would love for them to read your book, and you come and meet with the book club and talk about the characters. Book clubs love author meet and greets, so I would definitely do that. 4, music festivals, food festivals, church, anywhere where folks is gathering in the masses, that's where you need to be. I personally, in the I say 4 or 5 years of my career, I was at every music festival that you can think of, promoting my book, pushing my book, taking pictures with people, grabbing emails, building a fan base. And honestly, that's how I really built my fan base, is by going where the people is at. And so I would definitely do that. And then lastly, obviously, book events. Whether it's a book festival, it's a book conference, those are your key areas that you want to attack and that you want to be at, simply because your reader base will be there, and you also want to network. I always say this: you are not a salesman. If you are an author, you have a book out, you are a brand, you are an artist, and ultimately you want people to read your book. So when you're going to these events, stop just focusing on the sales. I don't care if you printed 100 books and now you want to get your money back. That's not the point. You want to be able to get a fan base. You want people to take pictures with your book. You want people to talk about your book. You want people to be excited about your book. So do not go to these events talking about, I just need to get my $1,000 back. I done spent money on this booth. I done spent money on books. So what? Who cares? That's not the point of this. So I want you to comment now. I want you to tell me, which one of these do you feel like you can easily do? Is it friends and family? Is it local bookstores? Is it local book clubs and local social groups? Is it the film, the book festivals and the book conferences? Is it the music festivals? Which one do you think that'll be easy for you to go to? And I want you to share with the other people in the comment section. Tell them about some places they should check out. What are some good events that people should actually go to that you feel that'd be really, really good for people to promote their book? Now, I want you to remember and think about the genre of your book as well too, because just because you have a romance book don't mean that you need to be going to a fantasy Comic-Con event. That doesn't work. So always be making sure that the people that be interested in your book are going to be at that event. So I want you to comment below, share where you're going. We're always at this on my YouTube channel. We're always about this sharing resources, manifesting things for our life and for our career. So make sure that you are paying it forward and share what do you feel will be helpful for your journey and somebody else in the comment section right now.